The words you speak every day are writing the story of who you'll never become. Most people don't realize this because it's not about intelligence. It's not about talent. It's not even about effort. It's about the 7 phrases that quietly signal a weak mind. Pay attention, because you've probably said at least one of these today. Your words are not just sounds, they are instructions to your own mind. Stoic philosophers understood this thousands of years ago. Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca, men who faced war, slavery, exile. They didn't just think differently. They spoke differently. And that changed everything. Here are the 7 phrases that reveal a weak mindset and what to say instead. It's not my fault. The moment you blame others, you give away your power. Think about what that means. You're saying someone else controls your life, and you're okay with that. Marcus Aurelius lost battles, lost people he loved, faced betrayal inside his own court. He never asked who was at fault. He asked, what can I do next? Strong people don't blame. They adapt. You can't control the storm, but you can always control your sails. They made me angry. No one controls your emotions unless you give them permission. Epictetus was a slave. He couldn't control his chains, couldn't control his master, couldn't control what happened to his body. But no one ever controlled his mind. Anger is not strength. Anger is a signal that something outside you has taken control inside you. When you say, they made me angry, you are handing them the keys to your own house. I'll be happy when I get the job, when I lose the weight, when things calm down. You know what the Stoics called this? A trap. When you tie your happiness to the future, you are choosing to suffer in the present. Life is not waiting for you somewhere ahead. It is happening right now, in this moment, in this breath. The question isn't, when will I be happy? The question is, why aren't you choosing it right now? Why is this happening to me? Weak minds see problems as punishment. Strong minds see them as training. The Stoics had a name for this. Amor Fati, love of fate. Not tolerating what life gives you. Not surviving. Wanting it. Every hard thing that has ever happened to you was shaping you, not breaking you. Life isn't against you. It's building you. I already know that. Those 4 words are the fastest way to stay exactly where you are. Because knowing and living are 2 completely different things. Socrates, one of the greatest minds in history, said his greatest wisdom was knowing how little he knew. The moment you believe you've arrived is the moment you stop growing. Empty your cup. Only an empty cup can be filled. Stay a student. Always. I'm too busy. You have the same hours as Marcus Aurelius. The same hours as Seneca. The same hours as every person you admire. 24 hours? No exceptions. The question isn't, where did the time go? It's, who did you give it to? You don't lack time. You lack the courage to say no to the wrong things. What will people think? If you live for their approval, you will never live your own life. Here's what most people don't realize. The people you're worried about are too busy worrying about what you think of them to even notice what you're doing. You are not living in their head. Stop letting them live in yours. Respect yourself more than their opinions, because their opinions are not your life. Your words are not just sounds. They are instructions. To your own mind, every time you say, "It's not my fault," you weaken. Every time you say, "They made me angry," you surrender. Every time you ask, "Why me?" you shrink. But the moment you change your words, you change your instructions. And when you change your instructions, you change who you are becoming. Speak like someone who has already decided to be strong, because that person is already you. You just haven't accepted it yet. Which of these 7 phrases have you caught yourself saying? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if this reached something in you, share it with one person who needs to hear it. The next video is already waiting for you.